In Portugal, there's a sound that captures the soul. It's called Fado, the music of longing, love, and loss. Born in the old neighborhoods of Lisbon, Fado is often sung in dim cafes with just a voice, a guitar, and a heart full of emotion. The word Fado means fate, and every note feels like a prayer to what was, what is, and what might never be. Singers pour their hearts into the melody, while the crowd listens in silence, feeling every ache, every memory. Fado is more than music. It's the voice of a people who have loved deeply and remember everything. Follow for more beautiful cultural traditions from around the world